Hey guys, how's it going? This is Alex Vargas from smartlions.io, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Trust Wallet to join a smart contract. In this case we're talking about Lionshare. Okay, so if you have an Android phone, you can use this app, okay? And if you hit the link that I left on the description, it's going to send you here to this page, okay? And you're going to click on create a new wallet, okay? And then you're going to check on, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet, okay? Check there. And then you click on continue. And it's going to take you to your recovery phrase, okay? Which is 12 words that you need to save. I always save them on my Google Drive. That way they're safe there. You can also copy them somewhere in a notebook. But just make sure they're safe somewhere. Okay. In this case, I'm going to save them in my Google Drive. Okay, and yeah, I'm just going to save them here. Okay, and once they're safe, then I'm going to, I'm just going to go ahead and open them here, because I will need to put them in order again. So I'm just going to have them there. Okay, let's go back to the Trust Wallet, and now I'm just going to hit continue. Okay, now it's going to ask me to put the words in the correct order. So here we go. We got silk, then we have honey, hollow. Okay, then you have broken, marriage, then miss, sport, right? Then we have real and Dutch. Okay, so once you have put the 12 words in order, then you're done. You hit done, and then it's creating our Ethereum wallet. Okay, so you can just click done, and there you go. You have just created your wallet, and we're going to be using Ethereum, which is the first crypto right here. So you can just click on Ethereum. Okay, and yeah, I'm just gonna close this one here, and we need to receive the Ethereum. Okay, so we're gonna click on receive. Okay, and you can just hit the copy button. Okay, that way that's the code you need when you buy the Ethereum. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how you can buy the Ethereum that you need. Okay guys, that's it for now. See you in the next video.